everybody. I just wanted to welcome you to our Suffolk Codes class for fall 2020. I'm Miss Jane, and I am going to be your guide. And we are going to be doing modules on code.org and talking about them at our office hours, which will be Tuesdays on Zoom at 6:30, and you'll get an email with the Zoom information and your login information for code.org, and I've got instructions on how to get into code.org coming up shortly. And I hope you guys have an awesome time. I'm really excited about this. So before I set you guys up and show you how to log into our class, I just want to say that if you did not register for our coding class, you can still make a free account on code.org and do any of these modules that we're working through. But if you do want to join us for the office hours, you can still register on our website. All right, are you guys ready? Start by going to code.org, and that will bring you to this page here. And then you're going to select sign in, and it'll bring you here, and you'll put in our section code, and then hit go. And you should have gotten the section code and your secret words in the email I sent to everybody. And you'll select your name from the list, and then you'll enter your secret words. And I just want to point out that you have an option here to select I have a partner at my computer, but you're only going to select that if you're working with somebody at the same workstation. So you might not have to worry about that right now. And then once you put in your secret words, you'll select sign in. That's going to bring you to our module page, and we're going to start with the warm-up, which is the dance party, and it's a lot of fun. And so you're just going to start with step 1, and step 1 is a video, and it's going to give you some hints about what we're going to be doing. And then once you watch the video, hit continue, and that will bring us to our work page. And make sure you read the instructions. Drag the make a new cat at center block into the workspace and connect it inside the setup block. So here's our setup block, and what I did is this started out over here, and I just dragged it over. And you can also make a sloth if you prefer. I'm gonna make a cat, and I'm gonna set it up at the center. And if you need any help, you can click the light bulb for clues. And once you have the task set up, you're gonna hit run, and the music on these is actually pretty good, so I've been kind of jamming out. And once you finish the task, you get the pop-up that says, congratulations, you completed puzzle 2. And then you can continue. And it gives you the next set of instructions. This one's talking about events. And then you'll continue. And you see here we have more blocks to choose from. So each time you're building on what you learned the time before. So it's really great. And if you have any questions or comments, or if you just want to chat with everybody about how it went, I hope we'll see you at our office hours on Tuesdays at 6:30. And I hope you guys have a great time. Okay, if you haven't done the module, stop now, because this is a spoiler alert. This is the final dance. I just kind of want to walk you through a couple of the steps just in case you get stuck anywhere. So this is the end of the module. This is the dance party. You have a couple choices here. You can pick which song you want to listen to. And you have a few more variables here than you've had throughout. So you've gone over the events and the dancers and the properties. So let's start with the world, because we want to put it in our setup block. And I want to set my background effect to ice cream. That's a tough one. Random ripples, I like that. And I want 12 new moose. And I want them in a circle. And I want a cat in the middle. Let's get some more dancers up here. Let's make 6 new, what do we want? Sloths. And we'll put them in a grid. And let's see, let's go to events, and let's do a base peak. that means it's going to follow the music. So when the bass peaks, something's going to happen. So let's see. When the bass peaks, let's have them all do drop. So they're going to drop the bass. And let's see. I'm going to do an event bar. And every 4 measures, let's see. I like this one. Let's try randomize all size. And what else do we want to do? Let's try randomize all tint. That should be exciting. Alright, so this is a good start. Let's see what it looks like. I'm sorry you guys can't hear the music. That's pretty crazy. I like it. So I want you guys to just play around with all of the different options. You can set your background color. You can set a foreground effect. Oh, I like that. Let's try that. What does that look like? Rain? Yeah, let's see. Ah, nice. You can hit reset when you want to start over. If you want to totally clear your board, you can just hit start over. You can show the code that you're working with here if you want to see the technical side. There's some a hint video down here if anybody wants to check it out. And just have fun. And when you're done, hit finish and it'll give you a code, and I want you to copy your code and save it so that you can share it with us during the office hours so that we can see how everybody's dance party came out. And I think it's going to be really cool. I want to see all your best dance moves and your super cool dance parties. And then when you finish the lesson, there's some different challenges you can do and extension activities if you just were so enthralled that you want to do more. But if that was enough for now, that's totally fine. You can stop right there and just hold on to that enthusiasm and come to our office hours and we can chat about it. And I think it's going to be great.